Further upstream, another wolf pack is devouring what's left of a moose carcass. A bold young grizzly arrives to claim his share. Packs of wolves have been known to kill young bears, but this young bear appears ready for a fight. Individually, each wolf is no match for the grizzly. As a pack, however, the snarling animals seem to overwhelm the inexperienced bear. The grizzly is fighting hard for leftover bones. Eventually, the wolves relent. Most of them have likely eaten their fill and don't want to risk their lives for scraps.